Welcome back. I am Keisha with KD Investing. Today, we are going to discuss 7 ways you can make money during a recession. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. A recession can be a difficult time financially, with rising costs, job layoffs, and economic uncertainty making it harder for families and individuals to stay afloat. However, one of the best ways to combat financial hardship is by starting a side hustle, a flexible and profitable way to earn extra income. Side hustles provide security by diversifying income sources and creating financial independence. Whether you're looking to cover unexpected expenses, pay off debt, or build long-term wealth, having a recession-proof side hustle can make all the difference. The great news is that today's digital age offers countless opportunities to start a side business with little to no upfront investment. Number 1, freelancing allows you to leverage your skills and work on a contract basis for multiple clients. Many companies and small businesses outsource work to freelancers instead of hiring full-time employees to save costs, making this a recession-proof side hustle. In-demand freelance skills include writing and editing for blogs and websites, graphic design for logos, and social media content, social media management for businesses looking to grow their online presence, video editing for YouTube and corporate content, and virtual assistants for tasks like scheduling and email management. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients. Beginners can start by offering lower rates and gradually increasing prices as they gain experience and positive reviews. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, started writing blog posts for small businesses on Upwork. Within 6 months, she was making $5,000 per month, more than she ever made at her 9-to-5 job. Number 2, selling digital products is one of the most passive income streams available. Once you create a product, you can sell it repeatedly without dealing with inventory, shipping, or manufacturing costs. Popular digital products to sell include ebooks on topics like self-improvement or fitness, printables such as budgeting spreadsheets and planners, and online courses that teach a skill like baking or social media marketing. Etsy is great for printables and planners, Gumroad is perfect for ebooks and digital courses, and Shopify is good for building a personal brand. A single mom created a digital planner for working moms and listed it on Etsy. Within a year, she was making $5,000 per month in passive income from her planners alone. Number 3, reselling is a low-investment side hustle that involves buying items cheaply and selling them for a profit. With the rise of online marketplaces, flipping has never been easier. You can source products from thrift stores and garage sales, find discounted items through retail arbitrage, or pick up free or underpriced items on Facebook Marketplace. The best platforms for selling include eBay for vintage and collectible items, Poshmark for clothing and accessories, and Mercari for general secondhand goods. John found an old Nintendo 64 console for $50 at a thrift store. He cleaned it, bundled it with games, and sold it on eBay for $500, making a huge profit. Number 4, education is always in demand, and people are willing to pay for personalized tutoring or coaching, whether it's academic tutoring or business mentorship. Some of the most profitable subjects include math, science, SAT and ACT prep, language learning, and career coaching. Wisent matches tutors with students for online or in-person lessons. VIP Kid allows English speakers to teach Chinese students, and Teachable is ideal for creating and selling online courses. Maria, a high school teacher, started tutoring SAT students online and eventually built a 6-figure business while working from home. Number 5, print on demand. POD lets you sell custom designs on t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without holding inventory. The supplier prints and ships the product, and you earn a profit on each sale. The best platforms for POD include Redbubble, which is easy for beginners, Printify and Teespring, which integrate with Etsy and Shopify, and Amazon Merch on Demand, which provides access to a massive customer base. A college student made $2,000 per month selling funny slogan t-shirts with zero upfront costs using Redbubble. Number 6, With platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, content creators can earn money through ads, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. The most common ways to monetize include promoting products and earning commissions through affiliate marketing, earning ad revenue on YouTube, and securing brand sponsorships for product reviews and promotions. A teacher started a TikTok page giving financial tips and now makes $10,000 per month from affiliate commissions and brand deals. Number 7, not all side hustles have to be online. Many people make great money offering local services that are always in demand. Popular local services include pet sitting and dog walking, cleaning services, and handyman.